Your energy levels and the way that you feel in your body dictate your entire life. And if you don't believe me, let me ask you a few questions. When you wake up in the morning, are you excited for the day, or do you endlessly hit the snooze button? How much energy or motivation do you have for cooking, exercise, self-care? Do you feel confident in your skin, or are you always tugging at your clothes because you're so uncomfortable? You see, energy levels and self-confidence have a hand in every aspect of your life. And it's the underlying reason that you don't want to go out with your friends, go after your dream job, create that business you've always wanted to, be intimate with your partner, or even take care of yourself. And it's not really your fault, because most doctors blame your lack of energy and weight gain on laziness. I don't think you're lazy. I just think that you haven't been given the right steps to fix the reason that you're always tired and feel overweight. Once you have a clear path on how to overcome those obstacles, you become absolutely unstoppable. Hi, I'm Dr. Faith Coates. I'm a licensed naturopathic medical doctor who helps ambitious and high-achieving women reclaim their energy and lose unwanted weight by optimizing the hidden signals that control their body, called hormones. I'm a little bit of a unique doctor because I know what it feels like to be a complete hormonal mess myself. I have personally gained and lost 100 pounds, completely lost my sex drive, bled for far too long, had severe fatigue, and was completely dismissed by medical professionals for years. I decided that I had to take my own hormones back, and after a lot of trial and error, I crafted my unique approach and combined it with my extensive hormone medical education to take the overwhelm out of optimizing your hormones. I have had the honor to work with hundreds of amazing clients who are suffered to control their Hashimoto's disease, PCOS, endometriosis, chronic fatigue, infertility, and post-birth control syndrome, and so much more. Within a matter of months, we were able to accomplish what they hadn't been able to with trying to do it on their own for years.
I was dealing with a lot of health issues in my life. One of the biggest one being menopause.
For a number of years, I've been struggling with a couple different health issues, primarily endometriosis.
When I was 19, I was in a motorcycle accident. So I had a traumatic brain injury, and then with the trauma, it caused me to have PCOS.
I was a hot mess. I had hair loss, weight gain, couldn't get the weight off. Wasn't sleeping well, mood swings, no sex drive.
I did not have energy. My energy level was probably, I don't know, I would say 1 at a scale of 10.
I've gone to fertility doctors, I've gone to endocrinologists, I've done so much.
I came across Dr. Faith.
Now I feel great. I feel happy, I feel content, I feel like at peace with myself.
And to where I am now, it's a complete 180. I mean, like I said, down 40 pounds. I'm super, super happy. I'm telling people could see the difference in me.
With working with Dr. Faith, I've really been able to make some lasting changes to my diet. It's been totally worth it, and I eat a lot healthier now.
I feel just so much better in my body, and to see the changes so quickly too. 3 months is not that long of a time frame, and to see what has happened just by following the program you have has been amazing.
Hold on to that hope and just see a doctor that actually understands you and listens and is an advocate for you, like Faith.
I wish I would have found her sooner.
We all have choices to make in life, and it's time for you to ask, what do you want the next year of your life to look like? Do you want to continue to let your body's imbalanced signals run your life, keeping you stuck and uncomfortable? Or do you want to make the decision to get control of your hormones without losing it? If you would like to avoid all the headaches, mistakes, and wasted money that I endured when I started to fix my hormones, I have made a free 3-part video training that covers how you can implement my signature framework. Over the course of 3 days, you will get access to each video, which will give you actionable steps so that you can go from fatigue to fierce without overwhelm. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the training.